I don't think anybody really knew the backstory, but Jeff had had an accident.
I knocked out a previously done implant.
He had fallen off a scooter, landed on his face, broke his front teeth up, and it was just a mess.
I had a black eye, a broken nose, no tooth, you know.
He was embarrassed, he was uncomfortable.
Now to think that I'm gonna get a completely new smile that's gonna really change everything that I think about myself. My expectations for this procedure today is a more permanent solution to what I've had in my mouth earlier.
Part of being efficient is doing CAD/CAM, same-day dentistry. So we were looking for a way to make the process faster. Straumann Ice Blocks allow me to be super efficient and to provide same-day dentistry, same visit dentistry, and beautiful dentistry all in the same sitting.
We can design it easily, we can mill it easily, we can polish it easily, and we can do these all in a very truncated time frame.
They don't require any oven time. You can do it all with 3 little wheels. We can clean them, we can shine them, and make them look beautiful right off the bat. The whole reason that we practice the way we do is to be efficient, and the Ice Blocks just fit right in exactly with what we're trying to do here. And the key qualities of the Straumann Ice Blocks are they're beautiful, they're very strong, and that they mill nicely and they mill efficiently, and we don't have to bake them. We can polish them up right out of the mill, and it's a time saver, and you compromise 0 bit of quality when you do that. They look great and they're efficient and they're fantastic. If I prep efficiently, if I have a beautiful smooth round prep, that crown will fit amazing, and the margins are as pretty as anything I've ever seen. But it all comes back to the prep. I have to prep it properly, and I can't blame it on my lab or on the computer or anything else. It all comes back to me when it comes to that. After I've prepped the tooth and the tooth has been scanned with our scanner, it goes to the lab. Darin designs it and fabricates the crown.
I actually got to sit down with the doctors, with the dentists, and be able to personalize my smile in a way that I didn't ever think was possible.
We are able to design with the utmost confidence that what we design on the screen is going to be strong and withstand the occlusal forces in the mouth.
This time I sat down and I said, I want these canines to be a little longer. I like that shape, I don't like that shape, and it was the technology enabled, kind of a teamwork effort.
We're able to mill thinner restorations than we can with some competitors' material, and we're able to mill those restorations again with confidence to know that they're going to withhold long term. You get the strength without having to spend the time that you normally would crystallizing a restoration. It's full strength out of the mill, it polishes up beautifully, and it can go right in the mouth as soon as you're finished with the polishing process. So the reveal of Ice Blocks when the patients first get their view is nothing short of stunning.
The fact that I could come in here this morning and have a whole new smile by the end of the day is the biggest advantage that I can think of.
They look beautiful, they function very well, they wow our patients.
Oh, Jeff's reaction was fantastic.
I feel really confident, really beautiful, and ready to go out and just, do what I need to do in the next steps of my life.
One of the best things that we're able to do is to give someone a new smile, because that gives them confidence and it makes them happy, and it's kind of why we're all here.